Hi, this is Clint from Versa. This is our readout of the Gartner Critical Capabilities for SSE published in April 2024. So these are the vendors in the Gartner SSE report. Versa is now on the SSE Magic Quadrant, so we're super proud of this. In terms of scores for connecting and securing remote workers, Versa is ranked in the top 5. In terms of scores for Secure Web Gateway and SaaS usage, Versa is in the top 6. And here are Gartner's comments on Versa SSE. So Versa's detailed policy rule development follows a defined workflow with rule generation intuitive and relatively easy to navigate. Versa provides a strong set of DLP capabilities that extend across all core functions. In terms of data security, Versa provides a consistent set of DLP match capabilities that are in line with other SSE providers and has included AI, ML detection methods. For adaptive access, Versa's adaptive access offers risk scoring of both users and endpoints with the ability to customize the risk scores based on business requirements. This risk scoring interface is intuitive and offers graphical and numerical methods to modify the score. Versa dynamically adjusts risk score based on user and event behavior analytics. For visibility and control, Versa's catalog of discoverable cloud services contains 4,576 sites using 30 parameters to calculate risk. Customers can change the risk score on a per-site basis. Versa operations are geographically diversified. Its clients tend to be small, mid-size, and large enterprise. In terms of Gartner-identified Versa strengths, customer experience. Gartner clients generally rate the support they receive from Versa as good. Product offering. Versa Networks offering provides a flexible and configurable capability for assigning and adjusting dynamic risk scores to both users and devices. In terms of geographic strategy, Versa Networks POP Networks covers the majority of major population centers. A log storage location is determined by the location of the POP that a user connects to. So in terms of the Versa unified SASE solution, our mission is to simplify how enterprises protect their users, devices, and sites and connect them to applications anywhere, anytime. Versa has a unified data plane for security and networking. This data plane is recognized for its strength in both security and networking. So on the security front, Cyber Ratings recommends Versa Next-Gen Firewall. So Cyber Ratings rank Versa number 3 in security effectiveness out of the 11 vendors tested, right behind Palo Alto and Fortinet. So in terms of Gartner recognition, Gartner ranks Versa number 1 SD-WAN solution for the large global WAN use case. This is October 2023. Versa's on the Magic Quadrant for SSE. And Gartner ranks Versa number 1 for network-driven SASE use case. This was August 2023. In terms of our SSE capabilities, Versa offers a modern and complete SSE solution that's delivered as a managed service. So everything in the green box is a managed service delivered by Versa in a cloud-based model. We have various users down here, branch sites, either legacy routers or Versa SD-WAN devices, trying to get to various web applications, unmanaged SaaS, managed SaaS, and private enterprise applications. Our 90 cloud gateways support Zero Trust Network Access, Secure Web Gateway, Next-Gen Firewall as a Service, CASB, DLP, Digital Experience Monitoring, and can connect to the enterprise SD-WAN overlay. So the Versa software client is available for all major client operating systems. We do support always on. The Versa client can support multiple profiles to connect to different networks. We have 90 POPs globally. We do have gateways in production in China. And Versa can authenticate users via leading identity providers and protocols. And Versa can validate endpoint protection is installed and up to date on the client. In terms of Zero Trust Everywhere, Versa not only delivers a Zero Trust network access experience for work from anywhere. So here we have a client connecting to a Versa cloud gateway. And this cloud gateway is enforcing the enterprise Zero Trust policy. But if this user moves onto an enterprise site, we can have either a Versa switch or a Versa SD-WAN device enforce that same zero trust policy close to the user. So in the Versa solution, the zero trust policy follows the user. The zero trust policy is enforced as close to the user as possible, and the users get a consistent security experience no matter where they're located. This is the most comprehensive zero trust everywhere solution we're aware of. And you can establish different user profiles for different user types. Example, enterprise user, retail, associate, contractor. And then each of these user types gets their own endpoint policy, their own policy for enterprise-bound traffic, and their own internet egress policy. And then for devices without the Versa software client, we can again provide unique policies for enterprise-bound traffic and internet egress. And we can fingerprint all the devices and determine who the manufacturer is, OS, score the risk of that device, etc. So we can basically provide different policies for an enterprise unmanaged device, an Apple TV, a low-risk IoT device, or a high-risk IoT device. Versa SSE also supports powerful digital experience monitoring. This leverages the Versa software client to give you clear visibility into exactly what the user experience is. So we can quickly identify root cause of enterprise employee user experience problems. And this is available for both Windows and Mac OS clients with the Versa software client installed. In terms of our unified SASE architecture, the Versa solution is fully unified, and every element of the solution supports the same Versa data plane. And the Versa SSE gateways can participate in the enterprise SD-WAN overlay, and a WAN edge networking policy can define which branch traffic goes to the Versa SSE gateways. And the Versa next-gen firewall that's been recommended by Cyber Ratings is built into not only our SSE gateways, but also every Versa SD-WAN branch node. So you can apply your security policy wherever you want, either the SSE gateway or the SD-WAN edge. It's your choice. And then in terms of multi-tenancy, we offer powerful segmentation between different enterprise networks. So in large enterprise, there may be one network for corporate, one network for retail, one network for operational technology, OT, maybe another network for extranet. And we offer complete segmentation between these different networks. So every Versa device, let's say an SD-WAN device, a VM in a cloud, a virtual cloud gateway, our management portal, they are all multi-tenant. And each tenant gets their own RBAC management, their own network policy, their own security policy, their own SD-WAN overlay, their own SD-WAN topology, and their own SD-WAN keys. And this spans the entire Versa SASE estate. We feel this delivers the most elegant segmentation between different networks across WAN Edge, SSE, Azure, and AWS. In the Versa solution, since our gateways can participate directly in the SD-WAN overlay, we can use the overlay for all SD-WAN Edge to SSE communication. This gives us SD-WAN traffic conditioning from the branch to the SSE gateways, which most of our competitors do not support. This way, if there's any hiccups in the internet or the transport, we can repair those between the branch and the SSE gateway to ensure the user experience. This also eliminates the need for building hundreds or thousands of IPsec tunnels from your WAN edge to your SSE gateways. Versa also delivers the most flexibility for deploying SASE and SASE licensing. So we offer both user and bandwidth-based licensing. And the bandwidth-based licensing can be very attractive for enterprises with a large number of users, but light SSE usage. So Versa offers either shared or sovereign gateways. The sovereign gateways can be private and dedicated to a single enterprise. There's also the opportunity to enforce more security policy at the branch to minimize Versa SSE bandwidth usage. This can help drive down your Versa SSE usage bill. We also have attractive commercial incentives for enterprises using Versa for both SSE and SD-WAN. and we deliver by far the lowest SASE TCO. And this is just a table quickly summarizing how Versa Unified SASE compares with single vendor SASE or two vendor SASE. We hope you found this useful. Thanks a bunch. Have a great day.